Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I will be sharing the content on useful topics. To get exclusive content, tips, and update, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Hi, I am your host Amit Kumar. You can connect with me via any of the social media handle displaying on your screen. Let's move to the topic. So let's move to the feature highlight section. So these are the 10 potential XM Cloud features which helpful for any organization if they are moving to the XM Cloud headless CMS. So first is the Jamstack. So Jamstack is not a specific technology. It's providing you the one type of architecture which can be utilized by any of the tech stacks, right? So it means that Jamstack stands for the JavaScript, API, and the markup. So it means if you are moving to the Sitecore XM Cloud, you can utilize the headless API to build up the application in any of the tech stack. It can be ASP.NET, it can be ASP.NET MVC also, and also you can utilize any type of client-side scripting framework like React.js, Next.js, Next.js, or AngularJS also. Even the plain vanilla JavaScript also you can utilize to build up your front-end application. The other is embedded personalization. So when you are buying the license for the Sitecore XM Cloud, you do not need to buy a separate license to implement the personalization. Why? Because Sitecore XM Cloud is providing you the embedded personalization. It means it is tracking your pages also. Like suppose if you are having a pages and you need to see that how the traffic is coming to your website. So those type of analytics tracking is out of the box, and also it is providing the some amount of or some number of personalization also which you can implement, but those are the simple. So it's generally both the tracking as well as the personalization feature are the subset of a main composable product like Sitecore CDP and personalized. So if you want to move to the full-fledged personalized user experience, then you need to buy a separate license for a CDP and a personalized, or you can go with the Sitecore XM Cloud Press licensing, which is coming up a full-fledged license for a Sitecore XM Cloud, Sitecore Search, CDP, Personalize, Sitecore Send, and Connect, so that you can implement a complete digital transformation end to end. Other feature is the edge content delivery, like a GraphQL. So when you are doing the implementation with the traditional ASP.NET MVC, then you are implementing or you are deploying your front-end user code base into the CDs, means content delivery server. So in that cases, you will be getting a data directly from the CD server. But in case of a XM Cloud, Sitecore is providing a content delivery from the Edge GraphQL endpoints. So Edge GraphQL endpoints are a CDN enabled endpoints, and it is also a Sitecore provided composable product, and you can utilize this product with ASP.NET based MVC application also if you are utilizing your existing XM or a XP implementation to build up a headless application. So then you can also publish content from XM XP to the edge. So it's a composable product. You can plug with the XM XP also. But you need to remember that XM Cloud is providing the data via the GraphQL edge endpoints, not via the layout service endpoint. And inbuilt component library. So Sitecore is also providing the some out of the box component or a component library which you can utilize to build up your front end application. So those are the Sitecore provided a components, and also you can build up a component XM Cloud portal applies in your application. Advanced pages editor. So if you have previously worked with the Sitecore experience editor, then you are aware about that how beneficial that interface is to build up the pages, or you need to assign a personalization rules, or you need to check that how it will looks once you will add the component. Same way, Sitecore have come up with the pages editor, which is advanced version of a Sitecore experience editor, and it's very intuitive and the user friendly. You can create a component template, and you can check the different variations of your component itself directly from the Sitecore XM Cloud. And this pages editor is a separate, you can say that, the component. And when you will open that, if you will see the URL, you will be seeing that it is redirecting to a different subhost name of a Sitecore. So it's embedded with the Sitecore XM Cloud. Faster development and a deployment. Sitecore XM Cloud is giving you the inbuilt DevOps pipeline. So it means you do not need to set up a CI/CD pipeline to deploy the code base, right? So you are saving the effort and the cost also, and you will be not having any dependency on any IT team to deploy your code. So if you are a admin and or a you are a content author, if you are aware about that you need to deploy some content or you need to push a build, so those things can be easily managed by your team member. In some organization, testing team are responsible to move the build from one environment to another environment, or if some feature development sprints are completed, so they will be pushing the code into different environments. The another feature is customer portal. It's a centralized view of your access for the different composable product. So suppose if you are part of a different XM Cloud organization and you want to check a sites from a different organization, so this is the centralized view for yourself, so that you can go and check the different app access and user identities. All these can be site management, or you can say that the app management can be taken care by with the help of a Sitecore Cloud Portal. The another feature is inbuilt insight. So inbuilt insight means that, as I explained earlier, that it is providing you the embedded personalization and the analytics, right? So inbuilt insight means that whatever the data collected from those analytics, you can also easily see the view of those charts or reports within a XM Cloud portal. So it will help you to see that how your pages are performing. So and also you can get the instant insight on your sites, pages, and the personalization, how it's working, so that it will give a clear understanding to your content author what are the things they need to improve on the content side. Another feature is inbuilt form, and this is also one of the important feature for any of the client if they are having some microsites or a campaign site where they are asking for a subscription, or they are having a multi pages form. So these can be easily built up in the XM Cloud, and it is providing you the webhook so that you can publish the data to a third party system, or you can utilize the Sitecore Connect also to push data and decide that which source you need to submit it. And also it supports the attachment of a files also. These are the high level 10 features which you can utilize to compare between a traditional ASP.NET MVC based implementation, and decide that what are the features which cannot be lift and shift or not having any one-to-one mapping with the Sitecore composable product. And according to that, you can decide that we need to go with the custom component or a custom implementation at a microservices level, or you can utilize the Next.js also to build up a custom, or if there is any other vendor or a Sitecore product are fulfilling your requirement.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video informative, make sure to smash the like button. For any feedback, queries, or wanted to cover any topic, please drop a comment. And last but not least, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell notification icon to never miss a video.